Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
Hey, welcome to the channel. If you're here, you're probably looking for a way to hit $20,000 a month. And not just any way, but something real, something scalable. Well, let me introduce you to one of the most underrated business opportunities out there. Selling Gohighlevel to small businesses and helping them streamline their communication. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on future videos. Imagine having a bot that automatically answers all your DMs on your behalf across all your social media platforms. It's a powerful tool that can reply to customer inquiries, book appointments for you, and even close deals, all while you're sleeping. This is like having a chatbot on steroids. You can use this tool to grow your own business, or you can sell it to other businesses as a service. For example, you could target people with a large social media following. Think about how much revenue they could add to their bottom line just by using this tool. Here's the problem most small businesses face. They're overwhelmed. Messages coming in from all directions, SMS, Instagram, Facebook, live chat, it's a total mess. Leads slip through the cracks, sales get lost, and they waste hours every week trying to keep up. They know they're losing money, but they don't have the tools to fix it. That's where you come in. With Gohighlevel, you can offer these businesses a single solution to bring everything together. All their messages, all their leads, everything in one dashboard. Plus, you can automate the follow-ups, schedule messages, and even set up marketing campaigns for them. It's not just software, it's a complete system that helps them save time, close more deals, and grow faster. And here's the kicker. You don't even need to create the software yourself. Gohighlevel lets you white label their platform. That means you can rebrand it as your own and sell it to small businesses. It's like running your own software company without having to build anything. You're not just selling a tool, you're selling a solution that small businesses desperately need. Now let me show you just how easy it is to set up conversational AI in Gohighlevel. We'll walk you through the process of enabling this powerful feature for your SMS, social media platforms, and live chat activities, so you can streamline your customer interactions like never before. First, let's understand what conversation AI is. It's an advanced tool designed to chat with your customers, gather information, and even book appointments on your behalf. Think of it as your virtual assistant that's always ready to help. With this tool, you can automate interactions across multiple platforms, saving time and improving efficiency. To get started, you'll need to activate Conversation AI in the settings. Head over to the Settings section in Gohighlevel and look for the Conversation AI tab. If it's not visible, you may need to create a bot first. When creating a bot, you have the flexibility to choose from different types. For this example, we'll set up an appointment booking bot. You'll give your bot a name, like Appointment Bot. And adjust its status. By default, the bot is off, but you can turn it on and choose between two modes, the suggestive system and the autopilot system. The suggestive system helps by recommending responses while you interact with customers manually. On the other hand, the autopilot system allows the bot to reply automatically to incoming messages based on predefined rules and logic. For this demonstration, we'll focus on the autopilot mode. Next, you'll need to enable the channels where you want the bot to operate. This could include Instagram, Facebook, your live chat widget, or SMS. Once these channels are activated, any messages received through them will be handled by Conversation AI. To make the bot's responses feel more human, you can configure a delay before it replies. For instance, you can set a wait time of 2 minutes after a customer sends a message. This adds a natural touch to the interaction. Additionally, you can limit the number of messages the bot sends in a single conversation and define rules for when the bot should pause its activities, such as when you send a manual message or trigger a workflow. Once you've finalized these settings, don't forget to save your changes. You'll also have the option to set your bot as the primary one for specific tasks, ensuring it takes priority in your communication setup. Training the bot is an essential step. You can improve its functionality by linking it to your website. This allows the bot to pull data from your site, enabling it to provide accurate and contextual responses to customer inquiries. For instance, if your website includes pricing or service details, the bot will use that information to answer related questions. You can further customize the bot's responses by adding frequently asked questions and their answers. If your customers often ask about pricing, you can predefine the question and the corresponding answer, making the bot even more effective in handling common inquiries. Another key feature is defining the bot's personality and objectives. You can configure its tone and actions to align with your brand. For example, if the bot is focused on appointment booking, you can specify whether it should handle the entire process or just provide a booking link. You can also add additional data fields if required, making the interaction even more tailored to your needs. Once everything is set up, it's time to test your bot. Testing ensures that the bot works as expected before going live. This step is crucial to catch any issues and make adjustments. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functional conversation AI bot that can handle customer interactions seamlessly. Whether it's replying to messages, booking appointments, or addressing FAQs, this tool can revolutionize how you manage communications. So, how do you make $20,000 a month with this? Simple. Start by targeting small businesses that rely heavily on communication. Think beauty salons, gyms, real estate agents, or even local restaurants. These businesses thrive on staying connected with their customers, but they're not tech-savvy. They'll pay you to solve this for them. Charge $297 to $497 a month for your service. At $497, you only need 40 clients to hit $20,000 a month. And if you offer annual plans with upfront payments, you can bring in even more cash flow. The beauty of this model is that once you set things up for a client, it's mostly hands-off. The platform runs on its own, and you just provide support when needed. But wait, it gets even better. Gohighlevel doesn't just stop at communication tools. You can also offer additional services like sales funnels, automated email marketing, or even running ad campaigns for your clients. These upsells can easily double or triple what you make per client. And here's why this works so well. Businesses will always pay for something that saves them time and makes them money. When you show a gym owner how they can send automated SMS reminders to clients or help a real estate agent follow up with leads instantly, they'll see the value right away. They'll understand that this isn't an expense, it's an investment. So here's what you need to do to get started. First, sign up for Gohighlevel's agency plan and get familiar with the platform. Next, create a list of small businesses in your area or niche that could benefit from this. And finally, start reaching out. Show them the value, offer a free demo if you want, and close the deal. This is your opportunity to build a scalable business that provides real value to your clients while generating consistent income for you. You will find the link to sign up with Gohighlevel in the description below this video. You will also get access to all my snapshots as bonuses. I have around 130 ready-made snapshots for different niches, such as mortgage, pest control, solar, electricians, home security, med spa, you name it. All these snapshots have been crafted by some of the best copywriters in the industry. People are reselling these snapshots for $1,000, $5,000, or even $10,000, depending on the industry. And if you use my affiliate link to sign up for Gohighlevel or to upgrade to a different plan, you can get these snapshots completely free. I know a lot of people are going to hate me for this. As I mentioned, people are making a living selling each of these snapshots for $1,000 or more, and I'm giving them to you for free. You also get a 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14 days when using my affiliate link, as well as a free live bootcamp to help you get started. You also get the following bonuses when signing up using my affiliate link. Access to a full tutorial on how to get started with Gohighlevel, my ebook, which provides step-by-step guidance on how to sell Gohighlevel to small businesses, including a list of third-party companies for onboarding and support, a one-on-one onboarding call with a Gohighlevel expert, and access to a private Facebook group for Gohighlevel members. You'll find the link to sign up below this video.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.